Why don't seniors with limited mobility ever vacation at a ski resort? Because they heard there's too much downhill movement. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on best vacation for seniors with limited mobility. Tip 1. Choose a senior-friendly destination. Choosing a location that accommodates the needs of senior citizens is crucial, particularly for those with limited mobility. Various tourist spots offer wheelchair-friendly pathways, ramps and other necessary provisions which make it easier for seniors to get around. Moreover, destination providing medical facilities nearby is beneficial too. Tip 2. Opt for comfortable accommodation. Choose accommodations based on comfort, convenience and accessibility. Many hotels and resorts offer rooms designed for seniors and disabled people with features like grab bars in bathrooms, hand railings, accessible switches, wider doorways, and wheelchair ramps. It's all about drawing a line between essential features and luxury. Tip 3. Plan transportation wisely. Adequate planning for transportation is an essential part of any travel plan. Opt for services that provide help for seniors with limited mobility, like wheelchair assistance, individual shuttle transport, and rental services offering vehicles with accessibility options. Public transportation systems in developed countries are generally senior citizen friendly. Tip 4. Seek guided tours. Opting for guided tours instead of individual exploration may serve best for seniors with limited mobility. Reliable tour agencies offer transportation services along with guided tours, which mean less personal mobility needed while still experiencing the best of the destination. Tip 5. Bring necessary medical equipment and documentation. If you rely on medical equipment like a cane, walker, CPAP machine or wheelchair, make sure to bring it along. In addition, keeping medical documents, prescriptions and healthcare professionals' contact info with you is always a smart move. Tip 6. Pack light. By keeping the luggage to a minimum, you will have much less to manage during the travel process. Pack essentials in a bag that can be carried on the shoulder to leave hands free for support or to operate a walking aid. Tip 7. Take advantage of senior services. Many airlines, hotels and attractions offer services for senior citizens like early boarding, individual assistance, wheelchair assistance and senior citizen discounts. Don't hesitate to ask about such services. They are designed to make your travel easier and more enjoyable. Tip 8. Keep health in check. Always have a health checkup before you plan your vacation. Moreover, carrying essential medicines and keeping the doctor's number handy for any kind of health-related emergencies is a wise precaution. Tip 9. Plan for breaks. Don't overexert yourself by pushing through a strenuous day of activities without recharging first. It's significant to take breaks between activities so your body can rest, and you can savor each moment without any discomfort. Tip 10. Ensure travel insurance. It's important to purchase travel insurance policies as they often cover medical emergencies. Look for the policy which covers health and mobility aid damages as well. Tip 11. Maintain a flexible itinerary. It's important to understand and accept that traveling with limited mobility might mean that not everything goes as planned. Keep your plans flexible and prioritize what you want to do most. This way, you won't be disappointed if something has to be left out.